This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch is charged above 50% and powered on. This prevents interruptions. Once done, install the Veryfit app and sign in, because the app holds pairing info and sync settings. Make sure you grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the phone can discover the watch. Also, keep both devices within 3 meters and switch off other nearby Bluetooth devices. This reduces interference and speeds discovery for the next step. You now open Veryfit and tap the Device or Add Device option. Choose the exact watch model because model mismatch blocks pairing. Then let the app scan. When you see the watch name on screen, confirm it. Sometimes the watch displays a PIN, so enter that PIN into the app to verify. Make sure to accept notification and fitness permissions so steps, heart rate, and alerts sync automatically. Once paired, enable auto-sync to keep data current without manual steps. You finish by waiting for the initial sync. Verify that time, steps, and heart rate appear correctly in Veryfit because that proves a successful link. If the app prompts for a firmware update, install it. Updates fix connectivity and sensor issues. Once synced, customize goals and notification settings so the watch behaves how you want. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and then retry. If that fails, reinstall the app or reset the watch as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.